Alright, so now we're looking at problem 18. Use implicit differentiation to find the derivatives of each of these functions. And it specifically tells us take derivatives with respect to x, just in case you might get confused. So let's start. X squared plus y squared equals 16. X squared plus y squared is equal to 16. We want to find the derivative. So because this is implicit differentiation, we say the derivative of this on the left is equal to the derivative of the stuff on the right. So I get 2x plus, and here we've talked about this before. Here the letters match. I'm taking a derivative of a function of x with respect to x. So I don't need to do any like x prime, anything like that. But if the numbers or if the letters don't match, then I have to do the implicit differentiation. So I get 2y, but y is a function of x, so I need to do the chain rule. That's that implicit differentiation. So times y prime equal to 0. So I can divide both sides by 2, and because I have 0 on the left, it's not going to change anything. So x is equal to x plus y, y prime is 0. Y times y prime is minus x, or y prime is equal to minus x over y. And that's our final answer for this problem. We've gone ahead and solved for y prime, and we got there. So one thing that's not on this review but could be on the exam, one thing that is slightly missing, is I could ask you to find the equation of a tangent line. And the only new step is you have to use this derivative and you have to use x and y to find the slope instead of just x. But other than that, nothing really changes. B, the story changes a little bit. You have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to 10. So take a derivative of both sides. So here I'm using the sum rule that I can take the derivative of each piece individually. Equals d dx of 10. So the left side becomes 0. This becomes 2x. And now I'm going to need some room. So the thing on the left becomes 2x. Here, I need to use product rule. So I can pull out that 2 because it's a constant. And now I have the derivative of x times y. And that's product rule because x is a function of x and y is a function of x. So I have first times the derivative of the second, xy prime, plus derivative of the first times the second, which is 1 times y. And while I'm at it, more implicit differentiation, y squared goes to 2 times y by the chain rule, times the derivative of y, which is y prime. So I have 2x plus 2xy prime plus 2y plus 2y y prime is all equal to 0. So very, very serendipitously, I have all these 2's that cancel out. So I get x plus xy prime plus y y prime is equal to 0. I'm going to do 2 steps at once here. So first I'm going to move this x and y over. So minus x minus y. Actually, let me just do both steps. Xy prime plus YY prime. And now I can factor out y prime. X plus y is equal to minus x minus y, or y prime is minus x plus y over x plus y equals minus 1. And now I'm not convinced that I did that right. So let me check. That derivative shouldn't be a constant.